What's the meaning of Anthony Burgess? Anthony Burgess. Anthony Burgess. Anthony Burgess. Anthony Burgess. Anthony Burgess.
Anthony Burgess was an English writer and composer. He is best known for his novel, A Clockwork Orange, which explores themes of free will, government control, and the nature of evil. Burgess also wrote numerous other works, including novels, essays, and musical compositions. His writing often deals with complex moral issues and philosophical questions, and he is highly regarded for his innovative use of language and structure. Overall, Anthony Burgess is a significant figure in 20th-century literature and has left a lasting impact on the literary world.